Welcome to Home of Math. Our topics exponents of a real number. Our question: if 9 to the power n times 3 square times 3 to the power minus n by 2 to the power minus 2 minus 27 to the power n divide 3 to the power 3m times 2 to the power 3 equals 1 by 27, prove that m minus n equals to 1. Let's start. First, here is our quotient, so we can start like this. Here is 3 3 3, so the basement basically here is 3, so we have to convert this 9 to 3. So in this case, this 9 we can write 3 square, and here is power n, okay, times 3 square times here is 3 to the power minus n divided 2. We can write this minus 2 like this way. Why? We know a to the power m to the power n, we can write a to the power m into n as per law of exponent. Okay, so again here is minus 27, we can write 3 cube, and here is power n. Similar, here is 3 to the power 3m times 2 to the power 3 equal 1 divided 27. We will not do anything at this moment. Okay, now we will simplify this one, 3 to the power 2n, because we know a to the power m to the power n equals to a to the power mn, times 3 square times, look, here is 2 and here is 2, we can omit this one, and minus times minus become plus. So here is only 3 to the power n minus 3 to the power 3n, and here is 3 to the power 3m times 2 to the power 3 equal 1 divided 27, till we will not do anything, right? Okay, now look, here 3 to the power 2n, and here is 3 to the power 2, here is 3 to the power n, here is 3 to the power 3n. So we can write like this: here a basement are 3 3 3, so this one we can write 3 2 to the power n plus 2 plus n, and this minus 3 to the power 3n we just keep, and this one 3 to the power 3m times 2 to the power 3 equal 1 divided 27. Now look, here is 3 2n plus n 3n, and here is plus 2, and here is minus 3 to the power 3n, and here is 3 to the power 3m times 2 to the power 3 equal 1 divided 27. A similar math you may complete another way, this is up to you. So you may follow also this formula or this format. Look, here is 3 to the power 3n plus 2, we can write 3 to the power, or we can take common 3 to the power n, or 3 to the power 3 square minus 3 to the power 3n, and here is 3 to the power 3m times 2 to the power 3 equals to 1 divided 27. Okay, now look, we can take common 3 to the power 3n. So here is 3 square minus 1 divide 3 to the power 3m times 2 to the power 3 equal 1 divided 27. Again, here is 3 to the power 3m into 3 square means 9, 9 minus 1 means 8. Okay, and here is 3 to the power 3m times 2 to the power 3 means 8 equals to 1 by 27. So this 8 we can cut. So here is 3 to the power 2n and 3 to the power 3m equal 1 divided 27. Now what can we do? Here is 3. Okay, so look, 3 to the power 3n minus 3m equals to 1 divided 27 we can write, because we know a to the power n divide a to the power m. Once base are same, for division power will be subtract, so a to the power n minus m. So here is same thing. Okay, so here we can write next line. So this one is 3, so 3, and we can take common 3, so here is n minus m. Okay, equal 1 divided 27. Now look, here is 3 and 3 n minus m. This one we can write 3 to the power minus 3. How? Look, we can take rough in here. Look, 1 divided 27 we can write 1 divided 3 to the power 3, and this one we can write 3 to the power minus 3, because we know a to the power minus n equals to 1 by a to the power n, right? So 1 divided 27 we can write 3 to the power minus 3. So similar, look, here base are same, therefore power will be equal. So here is 3 and here is n minus m equal minus 3. We can divide both sides by 3, so n minus m equal minus 1. If you want, you can write side note, divide both sides by 3. Look, if we take common minus, so here is m minus n and equal here is minus 1. If we divide or multiply by minus 1 both sides, so m minus 1 equal 1. Look, our question was prove that m minus n equal 1. So we already proved, so we can write proved. Okay, so